Being here at Byron Bluesfest is an amazing opportunity. You get to be on the stage next to these big acts. It's an amazing thing to be a part of.
Yeah, this has been one of the best experiences really I've ever had working in film.
Everyone's really supportive and encouraging, and they're here to help you learn and have a good time.
You're talking of a $100,000 camera plus, and as a general person you don't get that chance, so that's a highlight for me to be able to use all the tools that professionals use.
The things that the director tells you in the headset, that's stuff that I'll remember forever.
By studying at SAE, you're getting a real foot up. I don't know many other universities or colleges that are so connected